So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Tezos, ticker symbol XTZ on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, go to the bottom, press on Explore, go to the top, press on Search, and then type in ticker symbol XTZ or XTZ. Press on Tezos right here, then go to the bottom right and press Buy. Once you're on this page, type in the amount of Tezos crypto that you want to purchase. So if you wanted to do $15 worth, I would type in 15 and then press on the purple arrow. Once you're on this page, you can review the amount of crypto that you're buying, the price of it, the fee, the total, as well as the payment method. In this case, for me, it's Apple Pay. And if all looks good and you want to proceed with the transaction, press on the purple confirm button at the bottom. So that is how to buy Tezos, ticker symbol XTZ on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.